These games are handmade. I mean, you're not going to see anything like this in almost any other product in the world today. It takes 30 hours to produce a pinball machine, which is about the same as a car.
We are making a wiring harness with over half a mile of wire in it. We've got 3,500 pieces that we're putting into each of those pinball machines. So it is truly assembled.
The process begins with the wiring. The wiring system is essentially the nervous system for a pinball machine. The wiring begins with a CAD drawing, wire schematic. That schematic then is printed out for a large board. There's a wiring diagram that says, say you follow point 1 to point 5, point 6 to point 10, and the person out there who is pulling the wires follows that pattern. There's more wire, there's probably more connectors, there's more solder that's going on, but what you see, the way they strip it, the way they solder it, this is old school. Playfields come in from Chicago Gaming. They are then put into the press.
It's a 4-poster press, biggest piece of equipment we have. You can't make pinball machines without a 4-poster press. For each game, there's a bed of nails created. You'll see there's all kinds of pin nails here. And what you do is you take a playfield, which comes in screened like that, you put it in the press, and on the bottom and on the top, there's all kinds of little pinpricks or nail holes. That's where each part is started. So the games are pretty much the same from machine to machine, and also the screws don't walk across the playfield. As Detroit was once the center of cars, Chicago is the capital for pinball machines. All of the tooling for the little plastic posts or whatever, and the people who understand our product, and the people who work in it are in the Chicagoland area. When we were making our first games as Data East, we had a little map between the flippers, a little map of the United States with a flag coming out of Chicago, DE, Data East, manufacturing in Chicago, Illinois, pinball capital of the world. Of course, halfway through the second production run, somebody pointed out that we had spelled capital wrong. But again, we were owned by a Japanese company, so it looked appropriate.
Everybody here is required to play 15 minutes of pinball a day when a new game is produced.
And my job is being older and slower, is to represent the guy who's had a few drinks in the bar, and can he still play the game?